Everyone, Jai Hind. So today we will talk about officer-like qualities. The first officer-like quality that is effective intelligence, and lots of in YouTube and social media, and uh, and lots of people to describe what is effective intelligence and I am to describe what is effective intelligence. I'm just a defense aspirant, and I will learn what is officer like qualities. And the first OLQ is effective intelligence, and my perspective and my opinion on that quality. So, what is the meaning of effective intelligence? The meaning of effective in my word is to do work with the sharpness and well manner with the spark. So that is effective. Uh, Meaning of effective. And intelligence is intelligence. It's two type of intelligence. By the major Kalsi classes, uh, because I um, collect the information about intelligence by the major Kalsi classes. So I create this credit goes to um, major Kalsi classes. So two types of intelligence, first is natural intelligence, and second is develop intelligent. यानी कि you have to in a in a childhood, intelligence is like a mathematical ability intelligence, and lots of uh, you have to be a natural intelligence. And second is develop intelligence. To develop intelligence by your efforts, like you learn uh, the languages, you learn coding. So this is called develop intelligence. So in in my words, that's it. But by the your what's the word, I forget. So I jump the other meaning of effective intelligence meaning. So I prepare the notes, I will uh, define what is effective intelligence. And uh, combined definition of effective intelligence is common sense. If you have a common sense, you don't care about the what is effective intelligence. So example for what is common sense. And if you have excellent in academics, you gain 95%, 90% in your school or college. It's it's a it's it's a called learning mindset. Learning, you have a learning ability to learn mathematics, you learn physics, how to you learn principles of physics, chemistry, and biology. But effective intelligence is all about is solving the problem of daily life situations, you know, with the available resources. So this is called effective intelligence. And in other words, effective intelligence is ability to think, uh, ability to think practically, make quick decision, solve problem in under pressure. So this is called effective intelligence. In under pressure, if you solve the problems, you are the problem solver, not a creator. So this is if you have this kind of mindset, you are a problem solver, not a problem creator. So it's called effective intelligence, in my words. So effective intelligence is all about to solve the problem of daily life situations. You have a lots of problems and situations in your life, and how to handle and how to solve the problem within a minutes, within a required time to solve the problem, is called effective intelligence. And if you enhance your effective intelligence, please work on your co-curricular activities, and play the puzzles games like Sudoku and lots of puzzles game, and online offline, and play sports, meet new peoples, know the others mindset, what we think, what uh, and how he solve the problems in life. So this is called effective intelligence. So I think, I hope you are learn what is effective intelligence. And if you have any if you have mm, mm, uh, different kind of mindset, what if you describe what is effective intelligence, please comment, and I learn what is your perspective and what is your mindset. So thank you everyone. Jai Hind.